Hi, I'm ABC Melon.
A is for apple, crunch, crunch. Peel. B is for banana, munch. Key is for cherry, sweet. Melon says, touch the dragon fruit, wow. Melon says, touch the elderberry, tiny. Melon says, touch the elderberry. Melon says, touch the fig, F is for fig, wow. Melon says, touch the grapes, Puck is for grapes, pop, pop. Melon says, touch the honeydew, yum is for honeydew. Melon says, I is for ice fruit. Melon says, touch, touch the jackfruit, B. J is for jackfruit, E. Melon says, touch the kiwi, fuzzy. K is for kiwi, squeeze. Melon says, touch the lemon, sour. L is for lemon, pucker face. Melon says, touch the mango, sweet. Melon says, touch the nectarine, smooth. Melon says, touch the orange, chewy. Melon says, touch pineapple, squeaky. Melon says, touch the quince, Q is for quince. Melon says, touch the honery, R is raspberry. Melon says, I is strawberry. Melon says, touch, touch the tangerine. T is for tangerine. U is for ugly fruit, funny. V is for vanilla bean, smell. W is for watermelon, big splash. X is for sigua, that's a melon too. Y is for yellow passion fruit. Z is for zucchini, yes, it's a fruit.
Look at the big letter and a tiny little apple, crunch. B, look the big letter B and a tiny little bumblebee, buzz. C, you look the big letter C and a tiny little car, vroom. D, you look the big letter E and a tiny little elephant, woo. Look at the big letter F and a tiny little fight truck, wee woo.
G, look at the big letter G
and a tiny little guitar, strum.
H, look at the big letter H and a tiny little hammer,
Tap, tap. Look at the big letter K and a tiny little kiwi, sweet. Look at the big letter L
and a tiny little lion,
roar. And look at the big letter M and a tiny little motorbike, beep. It's look at the big letter N and a tiny little nail, hip. Look at the big letter O and a tiny little orange, squeeze.
Look at the big letter P and a tiny little plane,
Whoosh.
look at the big letter Q and a tiny little raindrop,
Drip. Look at the big letter S and a tiny little sun, shine. T, look at the big letter T and a tiny little train, choo choo. Look at W and a tiny little window, X. Look at the big letter X and a tiny little X-ray, flash. Z, look at the big letter Z and a tiny little zebra, gallop.